Now we are going to be look at that Hlookup function approximate match. We are going to be practice for the Hlookup function approximate match. This is a employee sales report 2020. You can see here employee's name and sales are available here, and the criteria is if the sales below 10,000 there is no commissions, right? And if the sale is 10,000 to 15,000, the commission should be 5%, and 15,000 to 20,000, the commission should be 8%. Then 20,000 to 25,000, the commission should be 11%, and more than 25,000, the commission should be 14%. So this is the managerial people decision. So we need to be put the commission here based on this criteria. So how can we put? We can put based on the Vlookup function in approximate match. So how can I'm going to be put it? First I'm going to be enter the equal sign, and I need to call that Hlookup function. Hlookup function, and I start the bracket, and the lookup value means which base we are going to be produce the commission based on their total sales, right? So this is the sales, right? The sales is a lookup value, comma, table array. The table array, you can see this is the table array. Based on this criteria we are going to be give the commissions. So this is the table, comma, then row index. This is which row available for the commission percentage. The commission percentage available in the second row. First sale, the second is commission. So the second row is the commission percentage. So I'm going to be put that 2, comma, we need exact match or approximate match. We need approximate match. The range, based on the best range, we need to be retrieve the data. So I'm going to be choose the approximate match. So I'm going to choose the approximate match, then close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see 18,258. It will come in this range, 15 to 20%. 15 to 20%, we are going to give the 8%, right? 8% commission. Now we are going to be apply the formula everywhere. It's very simple. You know that B8, it's a relatives reference. When we change the cell, it will change, but the table is not changed. So we need to be put the lock. So I'm going to press the F4 into the keyboard, and row index also not change. So I'm going to be row index also not change. Then everything is perfect. So I'm going to be enter. Then I'm going to be drag and drop. So you can see everywhere appear. Otherwise, you can copy the formula and you can paste every single cell, right? So now the commission percentage is ready. For example, if it is more than 25,000, how many percentage? 14%. You can see here 25,148. So should be 14%. 14%, right? 13,254. It is coming 10,000 to 15,000. So should be 5%. So you can see 5%. So our commission table is ready. Then I'm going to be calculate the commission amount. How can we calculate? Equal sales multiple by commission percentage, and enter. And I'm going to be double click. It will be autofill. You can see here everything is perfect, right? So if it is change anything else here, if we change the commission percentage, it will be reflected here. If you want to be change the percentage, just you can change here. For example, I'm going to be change the percentage here. If I change the percentage here, it will reflect here, because we use the Hlookup function based on this table, right? For example, I'm going to be put 10%, here 20%, here 30%, here 40%. You can see everywhere is change based on the condition or criteria. Now I'm going to be back. I'm going to be put the correct one, 5%, and this is the 8%, and this is the 11%, this is the 14%, right? And if you change the sales range also, it also reflect here, right? So it will also reflect here. If the sales amount below than 10,000, it means that the commission is not applicable, right? So if I enter the amount, if I enter below 10,000, it says that not available. It means that not applicable for that person, right? For example, I'm going to be put that below 10,000, 5,000, but it will say not applicable, right? Not applicable. And if I type the correct amount, it will come to the commission percentage, right? So this is also another informations. And if I change here, it's also reflect in this table. So I hope that you understand well